Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. Chicken curry laksa is a favorite in my family and we make it quite often. And because we have it so often, my family is actually very picky. It must be visually appealing, the perfect balance between the red chili oil floating on the top to the vibrant orange laksa. Lemongrass and tamarind are your secret friends. Lemongrass for the aromatic smell and tamarind for the hint of a sour tang. If you forget the fried tofu puffs, then expect several complaints in the complaint box. Leave out at your peril! For curry laksa, the two most important ingredients are the chili paste and of course the curry powder to get that curry taste. The curry powder that my mom and I like to use in our cooking is Baba's Meat curry powder in the green packet that you can easily buy at a lot of Asian supermarkets. It's a product of Malaysia, yay Malaysia boleh, and contains ingredients like coriander, chili, cumin, fennel, and turmeric. For the chili paste, Mom usually makes hers from scratch by blending dried chilies and sambal belacan and then cooking it until it becomes a paste. She then portions it up and freezes them for future use, and she usually gives me a container of it too. Thanks, Mom! Next, we've got 2 onions, several cloves of garlic, a knob of ginger, at least 3 sticks of lemongrass to add that really nice aromatic smell, some fresh curry leaves, and if you want to add extra bite to your curry laksa, then also include a few bird-eye chilies. Top tip! If you're anything like my dad and prefer fierce red curry staring back at you, then throw in a few red horn capsicum for that rich, vibrant color. We've got 1 kilo of chicken, which my mom usually chops up, but if you prefer only drumstick or other parts of the chicken like the wings, then go for it. Include fried tofu puffs, coconut cream, and you're good to go.
Fried tofu, you have to kind of slit it. It doesn't matter as long as you make a slit to have the sauce gone in later when you fry it. Fish ball is just to give that extra protein. Some people don't like the chicken all the time, so they go for the fish ball. Like in my family, we love fish ball inside our curry laksa.
Alright, let's get on to the cooking. First things first, blend the onions and garlic together with some water. Using a lot of oil is important because this will give that super red contrast to the orange curry laksa. Fry the onion and garlic mixture for about 10 to 15 minutes until it turns green before adding in the chili paste. Don't forget to add in the fresh chili and capsicum blend to brighten the soup color. Add water to the curry powder to make a paste before adding it into the pot. Why?
So that it not get burned. Lemongrass and the curry leaves and the ginger, and then cook it further. So that is basically the base of the curry laksa.
Fry the laksa paste for about 20 minutes, continually stirring to prevent the paste from burning. The best way to know that your paste is ready is when the olive oil starts to break the surface of the paste and rises to the top. Cooking the paste is the longest part of this recipe, but trust me, it's worth it to get this part right, otherwise your curry tastes a bit off, like unripened fruit. Once the oil has risen to the top, add in the chicken and let it simmer in the soup until you're certain you won't be getting salmonella poisoning. Toss in a handful of dried tamarind pieces to amp up that sweet, tangy taste, and then add in 200 ml of coconut cream. Mom loves the Kara brand of coconut cream because she says it doesn't have a weird smell like other brands do.
It's really good. The smell is good too. This is not done yet, halfway. Can't imagine when it's done afterwards. It's very nice.
Noodles for curry laksa are typically thin rice vermicelli or yellow egg noodles. Blanch the noodles of your choice in hot water. Chop up your cucumber and let's plate up. My family usually likes a mix of both noodles because the different textures are like a party in your mouth. Add the fish balls just before serving and we are good to go. Check out that amazing color. This is gonna be so good. There you have it, my mom's much loved curry laksa. This video is dedicated to my aunties and uncles back in Malaysia because this is one of their favorite dishes whenever my mom cooks it for them. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye!
Now today's dish is curry laksa istimewa.